Christmas is a time of giving, sharing, loving on other people. Amen. Right? That's right. Got that? For God so loved the world that he did something. He demonstrated his love by giving. Gave his only begotten son. And because he gave Jesus, now me and you here. Isn't that good news? Isn't that good news? So there's always been a tradition here, restoration ministry on the Christmas season, we like to just give. Amen. Amen? Amen. And normally the past we give gifts. Everybody knows we have whole state for everybody knows. But I started to do a little different because we got more children than we ever had. Right. Amen. And that does all to rejoice when these children. Right. See that right?
Madison, where's Madison?
Madison!
Come on down, ladies!
Hold on right there. Come here, Santa Claus. Hold on. Come here, Mr. Bud. You can't stay at one. Come on, Mr. Bud. We got to come on. We're rolling. They get over there. They got their mama. They go over there. Come on, girl. Come here. Where's Adriana? Hang on there.
All right, Charmaine, you up next. Charmaine.
Hey, Charmaine. Hold on. Come here. Take a picture with Santa. Come here. Come here, Mr. Bud. Come on. Put that right there.
Come on down.
Hey, slow down a little bit. Slow down a little bit. Give him a chance to take a picture with Santa.
One,
Santa.
all right. One more. I know basketball shoes. Oh my God.
Come here, Mr. Bud. Come on here with Charlie. Hey.
I like that.
That's pretty. We put Charles right here on the corner by his mama. Hey. Come here, Santa. Come here, Santa. Put your hand.
What's Santa doing?
What's Santa? It's old Santa.
Oh, put something in your hand.
There you go.
Be together. Ready, 1, 2, 3. All right.
Next up is Khalil.
Hold. Look at that crap.
Carlos.
Take her with your daddy right there.
Oh, let's do that.
Look at it, put him on there. All right, look at you, ready to go?
Adrian, where's Adrian?
We ride in the Get in there, brother. There you go. That's all right. That's all right. That's all right. I don't know where Mama is. Come on, Mama.
Next up is McCall.
Hey, they got noise
Next up
makers.
is Khalil.
Oh my God, it's something.
Yeah, that's all right. Look at it. She ready to go get it. Let me see you paddle that thing. Let me see you paddle. All right, that's good. Slow down. That's good. Go at your mama. Daddy, come here. Billy. Take a picture here, man. Billy.
My boy.
All right.
I ain't got to say nothing now.
Hey, Potato. Take a picture for cheese, Potato. Right. All right. All right, what you gonna do, man?
And Little Reggie. Where's Little Reggie?
Look at the camera over there. Huh? Okay, yeah, man, let me put you.
Yes,
Parents just said was make sure all the papers picked up. I need to train up crew so we can get through this. Listen to me. If you are going home or on the sound of 3, we're going to say Merry Christmas to the young people. 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas. 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas. Our church believes in giving, reaching outside the walls. You got it?
Got it.
So now listen to me. It would be good of you to say something encouraging to the other people in the ministry. You don't know, people don't put names on all this, but a lot of people make this happen. Y'all got it? Y'all got it? Got it? On the sound of 3, I want you to say thank you, New Living Word. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, New Living Word.
Good. Be dismissed.